Wherever you dey, in a house, I been a workshop, I been a store. This story they come to you from the studios of TMC TV and Radio. My name na Omoaluke Ajakaye, and as you know for TMC TV and Radio, na story will concern you, when concern mama, when concern papa, when concern pikin, when concern everybody to make sure say our Obodo Naija dey better. Now we dey carry come give you for your domot, and we dey do am for language where everybody understand, and that language na pidgin English. Right now, make we enter Edo State and make we give you news as they come out for Ikpoba-Okha local government, as thousands of PDP women for Ikpoba-Okha local government, Edo South Senatorial District, don tanda for the house of the Secretary to Edo State Government, Ikpoba-Okha Esquire, on Tuesday to show say them dey ready to deliver votes for the People's Democratic Party ahead of the 2023 general election. These women, wey be leaders for the different wards and units for the local government, talk say this one na to test the microphone and show say them dey ready to receive PDP presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and him running mate Dr. Ikpoba-Okha on Saturday for Benin City. Secretary to Edo State Government Ikpoba-Okha, when talk to Ikpoba-Okha local government, na strong local government politically, and no other political party apart from PDP tanda for the local government, constantly and the women make them come out plenty to support Governor Godwin Obaseki and constantly welcome Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and him running mate Dr. Ikpoba-Okha on Saturday as them dey come Benin.
Women, oh yeah! You know say this party PDP, you know say election like Ikpoba-Okha day. Una remember? Una know how una do governor, abi? President dey come. Una go show na true color. People go say una ready. They so be all these people. They say na Ikpoba-Okha, abi? That's why Ikpoba-Okha be for politics. When you see Ikpoba-Okha, you go know say this na Ikpoba-Okha, abi? We never ever fail governor. We not go fail governor. So on Saturday, our president will come. Me, I know they call him presidential candidate again. Now president is the president. We will go and wait for him. Any other party there, Ikpoba-Okha? On Saturday, we will show our true color.
PDP State Chairman Tony Azigbemi talk saying Bele sweet and Mola as he see the plenty number of women when come out and constantly thank the women for the support when they give the party so far.
Ikpoba-Okha women are great una. I salute una. Una no dey carry last o. No dey carry last at all.
Samuel.
You people are too much. When Secretary to Government call me this morning say, Chairman, you go come o. Because my women, they go dey here this morning, they won't see your face. I know we enter this place now, the fool. Ikpoba-Okha women, clap for yourself. So, we expect say, as now plenty like this, so that's all I go plenty on that Saturday. Make we welcome am. Make we tell am, Obokia. Make we tell am, say, carry go, say, Ikpoba-Okha, we go vote for, in fact, the Edo State, we go vote for Atiku and Okwa. Let me say we talk. So for me, I want to tell una say una well done. Thank you. As I say, thank you so much for what Ikpoba-Okha women doing for the party. Thank you so much. We acknowledge it and we know it. I will not forget una. So I beg on Saturday by 10 o'clock we don't do stadium. Now stadium now we won't do the thing.
Former Edo State representative for Niger Delta Development Commission, former majority leader for Edo State House of Assembly, and PDP senatorial candidate for Edo South Senatorial District, Matthew Idweyekeme, talk say if PDP enter government, it go better for Ikpoba-Okha local government, sake of say as Atiku go be president for Nigeria, him go represent Edo South for Senate, and this one go be the first time when Ikpoba-Okha pikin go dey represent Edo South for Senate.
Women,
well, our leader, our pa, now invite all of us. Say, make him see you now. Anyone just go see you now on Saturday because You know, say those of the way you come here so. When Saturday reach, those of the way they come, it go be like times 10. So in a way they here so now you now be the real women leaders. That's why you now come. You don't talk part of them. Ikpoba-Okha, this government where they come so. This article government so. Now our government be this. You know why? When article don't be president, now in our Pekin, Ikpoba-Okha Pekin, I go be senator, I go to Abuja. We never get senator before, but the first one I want to get we must show them through the vote, say when we take vote, take win. They will say we happy well. And when we don't do Abuja, we can't join our power here. All the women who they come of women empowerment, from federal government through state government, it will come easy. And if they want to talk of women that time, like Ikpoba-Okha women, now every other woman for this state, now they're going to point out to say they want to be like. So for me, I don't got too much to tell you now today, other than say, on Saturday, make we pack all the crowd come there.
Mass video Ekeme, when it comes to Chukmat with TMC TV Tori people, talk say this women when you see today, make your mind cooler. And this one don't give them confidence, say you go win the election for 2023.
I'm happy well because this one is my local government and I made the run election. So as I see my women now, they still don't give me power again. Before, I did sleep well, but I didn't sleep well before. But now, I feel they sleep like 4 hours before, but now I feel they sleep 8 hours because the women where I see today, with the way they take, show their commitment. I know say the work not easy.
How confident you are?
Say I go win?
Yes.
I would wait for the announcement, maybe they announce on the 28th. That's all. You see another person for inside the feed in the work. Now they do politics inside social media and streets. Now they see so. Now the people they vote.
Honorable Nicholas Asonsei, when be the PDP House of Assembly candidate for Ikpoba-Okha local government, constantly and the women make them continue to spread the word of PDP to bring other women join the camp.
The reason why we call this meeting now to test run, which will happen on Saturday. So now various women unit leaders now they break on today, and you can see the turnout very impressive. So we are happy. I will employ them to do more because they have to go and canvass more people. As we give birth to them, may they still go give birth to others. So now be the thing when they here for. So the essence is to test run that Saturday when we expect our presidential candidates, Ikpoba-Okha and Kowa, vice president.
So how you feel as you see the crowd of women for here?
I'm very happy, very, very happy. I'm impressed. I dey happy where we said my people they come, the women. Now only the women they call, they not call the guests, now only the women they call. And not be everybody, now unit heads, leaders of different units, now they invite come today. I'm very happy to see this kind of crowd.
Ikpoba-Okha woman leader and other women come to Chukmat to talk the matter.
What it make us today here? Today, we want to make we know all these women. These are women that make they call their women. When they do meeting together, make we know them. These women, we want to make we know them. Now make our woman leader call the whole of their women when they follow the do meeting for unity women. Now make they call them. Today now with this, everybody come they happy. You see as you hear your phone now, we they happy now. When we do this one finish now, because maybe we see another one, then the others women leader, they go apply for all the rest women leader, women again. When they follow us go stadium on Saturday, we want to make with many. That is why we come today. Now happiness is with day.
Oh, as we are there here now, we feel very proud and happy. We feel very proud and happy to be here because our papa will because of our day here today. SSG, Barrister Osadun, now they carry us, they go. As you take see us say we dey here so, we are now unit members for Ikpoba-Okha local government. Now 10 words from this local government I dey here based on unit level. Now so we are take dey here today. We be PDP Kakbe, they not dey change am. Open hand we go cut am. Now so we take dey.
So the purpose where we dey here, now our papa now call us Barrister Osadun. So you want to know the strength of the unit in Ikpoba-Okha local government. In Ikpoba-Okha local government, we get 641 units. So just say, may we call for you. So people will see here, now from various units, 5 from each unit. So to know the strength, and by special grace of God, Atiku is our candidate, not be saying an aspirant. So we are waiting for swearing in. by God grace.
Some of the PDP leaders went tanda with their leader, Osadio Esquire, to receive these committed PDP women. Now, Chief of Staff to Edo State Government, Ikpoba-Okha, Commissioner for Fiscal Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development, Honorable Isoken Omo, former Council Chairman, Honorable Eric Osayande, Commissioner for Special Duties, Honorable Sasei Emoma, and other Ogbonge leaders. This story, they come to you from the studios of TMC TV and Radio. My name na Omoaluke Ajakaye. I'm Rosagmanevare. Now I handle camera for this production, and na Loretta Ojisele na be the linear editor. Loside Logbedi. Now I produce these reports. Don't forget your PVC na be your power. Not tell I'm giving a politician on election day.